Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my Saleh students? May Allah always protect us from any disease every time and everywhere. Hi, welcome back with Ustaz Zarani, and it means we are going to learn about mathematics again. So, our topics today is divided by three parts. The first is about ordering, comparing, and rounding numbers. Yep. Last meeting you already learned about place value. So if you already know about the place value, it is easy to ask for ordering or maybe comparing and also for rounding the numbers. Yep. For these three topics, you already get it also in the fourth grade. Just the digit may be different, yeah. So this is the main topic. We starting from ordering numbers. Usually, how to ordering numbers, there are two ways in ordering numbers. The first, maybe you can ordering from the smallest number to the bigger number, or the second one is you can ordering the number from the biggest number to the smallest number. So it is divided by two, yeah, according to the question. If the question asking for from the smallest to the biggest, so you have to choose the smallest first. Now, for example, I have the number here, 1,355, 1,545, 1,755, 1,955, 1,445. Nah, if you want to ordering from the first one, we ordering from the smallest number. Remember ya, if you want to comparing or ordering the number, attention to the place value of the number. Nah, because this is thousand number, you can see in the thousand first. Oh, in the thousand, this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All of them have the same thousands position, thousands place. All of them is 1. So we still don't know it. What is the number goes for the first. And then look at for the hundreds. The hundreds. Attention for the hundreds. The hundred is 3, 5, 7, 9, and 4. Every number is different in the hundreds number. So we can ordering by looking in the hundreds number. Nah, because I want to ordering from the smallest, so I just needed to see what is the smallest number in the hundreds. Nah, what is the smallest number in the hundreds? 3, 5, 7, 9, 4. Absolutely, the smallest one is 3. So that's why I put 3 for the first. And then after 3, we have 4. So I take it this to this, and then take it 5, and then take it 7, and the last one is take it 9. Nah, to ordering from the biggest, the same way, but just choose the biggest number for the first time. Okay, the next is about comparing numbers. To comparing numbers, usually we using the symbol, yeah, we using the symbol. So there are three symbol here: symbol less than, greater than, and equal. Less than, we use this symbol. If the number in the left side is smallest than the number in the right side. The number in the left side is smallest than the number in the right side. In other way, greater than, we use 4 if the number in the left side is bigger than the number in the right side. The number in the left side is bigger than the number in the right side. Equal, yeah, if both of the number is equal. So this is, for example, I have 3,606 and also 3,662. we have two sides here. This is the left one, and this is the right one. The left side say 3,606, and in the right side is 3,660. Do you think which one the bigger? Absolutely, in the left side is the smallest, then in the right side. So we choose this symbol because in the left side is smallest than in the right side. How about 7,852 with 7,125? Now, in this case, 7,852 is greater. So in the left side is greater than in the right side. So we use this symbol. And then the last one, 52,525 with 52,552. Now, from this, you can see the number in the left side is smallest than the number in the right side. So we choose this one. Remember, we using less than if the number in the left side is smallest than the number in the right side. We choose the greater than, this symbol, if the number in the left side is greater than the number in the right side. All right. The next one is about rounding numbers. Nah, I think rounding number is already, you already know it also ya, about rounding numbers. Just if you remember it. This is only happen if you remember all of the way. Nah, in the rounding numbers, how we can do it? First, we have to know what is rounding does mean. Rounding means making a number in the simple but keeping its value close to what it was. Jadi rounding itu kita membuat angkanya lebih simple, lebih sederhana, tapi tetap mendekati dengan angka yang aslinya. Nah, the rounding form or the rules to finding the rounding. The first is find your number, and then look right next door. And then if the number is 4 or less, just ignore. And if the number 5 or more, add one more. Nah, how to applicate this one? Let's see. For example, round 13,525 to the nearest thousands. Nah, the first way, find your number. Find how to find it our number. Look at for the thousands. Dia bilang thousands. So, attention to the thousands. What is the thousands in this number? Absolutely 3. This is the thousands. So, we attention to the thousands. And then, look right the next door. Look right the next door. Perhatikan angka di sebelah kanannya. Angka di sebelah kanannya adalah 5. Right? 5. And then 5 or more, remember if the number is 5 or more, add one more number to your number. Kita tambahkan 1 di angka yang kita punya. Tadi, angka yang kita punya adalah 3. Berarti kalau kita tambah 1, it's become 4. How about the others number? Just become the 0. Just become the 0. The other number, just ignore it. Just make it 0. Ya. Oke. More practice. We have this one, 12,345 to the nearest thousands, the same one, thousands. So find out our number first, thousands. Berarti ribuannya. Ribuannya adalah 2. Berarti saya harus find out my number. My number is 2. Alright. And then look at to the number of the right. Kita melihat angka yang ada di sebelah kanannya. Since we are going to round the 2, we need to look at the number on the right of it, which is the number is 3. Nah, the next step is if it is a number between 0 until 4, the rounding number stays the same. If it is a number between 5 to 9, add 1 to rounding the number. Nah, yang diperhatikan itu angka yang di sebelah kanannya. 3 is between 0 and 4. Therefore, the rounding number 2 stay the same. The rounding number artinya yang ribuannya tadi dia tetap sama. And the last one, replace the remaining number to the right of the rounding number with 0. Nah, berarti angkanya tidak bertambah, duanya tetap menjadi 2 karena 3 itu lebih kecil dari between 0 until 4. So we just needed to ignore it. Maka hasilnya adalah 12.000. Oke, I give you more example ya. How if I want to look at for the others? For example, I have a number 732,532. And then I want to rounding to the nearest tens. Nearest tens. Nah, because I want to looking for the tens, so I have to see where is my tens number. My tens number is this one, 3. Right? Ini adalah 3, my tens number. And then the next step is I looking for the right side of my number. Jadi saya melihat ke angka sebelah kanannya angka saya. Angka saya adalah 3, sebelah kanannya adalah 2. Sebelah kanannya is 2. Exactly 2 is between 0 until 4, right? Or less than 5. So, I just ignore it and make it a 0. Berarti hasilnya hanya tetap 732,530. Tiganya tidak bertambah karena duanya tadi ada di antara 0 sampai 4 atau lebih kecil dari 5. Jadi kita hanya buang saja dan gantikan dengan 0. Like that. Pokoknya poin pentingnya yang harus diperhatikan adalah angka kita bergantung dengan apa yang diminta. Kalau diminta tens berarti ambil tensnya, kalau diminta 10,000 berarti ambil 10,000-nya, kalau yang diminta hundreds berarti ambil hundreds-nya, perhatikan hundreds-nya. And then attention to the right number, and then if it is between 0 until 4, just ignore it. If it is from 5 until 9, so we edit our number by 1. And then the others number after our number become 0. Okay, for more understanding about our lesson today, you can do this exercise. Okay, this is the first exercise, number 1 stroke number 4. It is easy ya. Just make it the symbol and then order it from the smallest to the largest, and then order it from larger to the smallest, and then ordering number by using the symbol too. And after that, the second task is about rounding. The first one, you round into the nearest 10. The second, you round into the nearest 100 to the nearest thousands. For number 2, all of them you round into the nearest thousands. I give you example for part A. I have a number 5,439. I want to round it to the nearest thousand. Berarti yang harus saya perhatikan semuanya adalah ininya ya, angka thousand-nya, 5-nya. And then I'm looking to the right side. Saya lihat ke kanan. Angka ke kanan saya adalah 4. 4 itu lebih kecil dari 5 atau berada di antara 0 sampai 4, maka I just need to ignore it. Jadi diabaikan saja. Menjadi 5.000. Okay, do the same thing for the others question. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'm waiting for your task. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.